connectors. It's too much material to run through there. What we're going to do, we're going to take this, get some twist, pop that right off. Difficult. Don't worry. Better than that. Try that again. Then came out with it. Now we're left with this. We're going to put that over there. This material over here. It's too big to put in there. Just put pins in there. This larger stuff we're going to run through reverse electroplating. These type of connectors here. This nut. This is not magnetic. Washer on the other hand is. Got that pin in there. One side and on the other side. And like breaking bread. Let's talk about this one here. I believe this is a FireWire connector that so we're going to take that off. Take that plastic cover off. Now these pins. Pull right out. Good thing about these ones here is that the pins come out real easy, almost too easy if you're not careful. Fling them across your room. It's just a matter of grabbing, give it a little, while you're holding it, give it a little rock, and it comes right out. All right, let's talk about these. This here, the seat that sits down in the printer carriage, came out of a printer. Now, if you see, just gold plated right at the top here. Just gonna give it a low pull. You just want to just take the part that's plated. Now, if you wanted to, get in there, give it a clip. Majority of the time, it'll just fall right out of there. Find something else that we didn't talk about. This one here, I have no idea. This here is either going to have to be crushed in a vise or smacked with a BFH. Beat it into submission. HDMI. Rip that off. That, give it a twist. Now, like I said in the last video, wasn't thinking, and I cut it off the cord. Now I'm losing that weight with my wires that I turned in. Printer cable. So say a bus. Okay, give it a twist. Keep an eye on for where it fell on the floor. I mean, the benefit of watching this video is whether or not you want to deal with low-grade stuff like this. These are from hard drives, and they're full of gold plated. These, on the other hand, they are just flash plated. And when that does dissolve, or when you do a drop on it, it is going to be very, very, very fine. So fine that it's going to pass. It's going to pass through your even if you put a cotton ball plug in your filter, in your funnel, it's going to pass right through it. That kind of material, you let it sit as long as a day or two. Now, once it is settled, don't disturb it. You can't go off the liquid. Put in some water to rinse it. Let it settle again. It's gonna take time. All right, find another one. Let's see what the deal is with this. It's been sitting for so long, I have no idea. And that's why it's been sitting so long, because I have no idea. Do another one of these. Take this hot glue substance off there. See if this one's a lot nicer to me today. Go one way. Grab the tip. Give it a twist. Kind of make an S. See how that opened up a gap there? What you're going to do, get in here with something that's going to be small enough to grab a hold of it. Let's see if I can just grab that lid there. Okay. Work your way in to break that free. Now that's free. Pops out. The only thing that's holding these in is the solder. Because they're going to, these ones here, they don't come out of the back. Out through the front. Solder's holding it. These three over here. Oh, that one's staying in there. After a while, this is why the stuff's built up. But they're a pain in the ass. People who sell them on eBay, you think it's over. You think it's overpriced. They sat and did this. All right, I'm going to finish going through this, and we'll be back.